Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, how are you all doing? Welcome back to the Saturday Shave. This is going to go up a little later than normal again. Just been busy guys, just been busy at this time of year. I'm sure you can appreciate it. No, we want our video job. Okay, first order of the day. Saturday morning, nice cup of tea. Cheers to you all. Second order of the day, request by a subscriber over there in Thailand. Look at this, mince pies. It's that time of the year guys, the mince pies come out. Here they are, they've got a little Christmas tree on. Lee said to me, John, I need to see you. I need to see you eating a mince pie in a video. So there you go. Oh my word. For all those of you that live outside the UK, in this country, mincemeat is ground beef. But mincemeat in a mince pie isn't. It's fruit. It's just fruit mixed with cognac, whiskey, together, put in a beautiful little pie, and must always be served with tea. You drink it abroad, and you drink it and you serve it with coffee. You're to be taken into the public square and slapped at dawn. Mince pie's always meant to be drunk with tea. Cheers, everybody. Okay, enough of this frivolous waffleisation. What we're on today, John? Look at this. We're on cane. We're going to be shaving with P88 cane. I'll come down here. The scent profile of this is pure organic peppermint, corn mint, talc, rose, bergamot, Haitian vetiver, Madagascan vanilla, coumarin, light musk. This is the North Pole Barbershop and the crisp winter fougere beyond compare. It is, guys, there it is. Absolutely wonderful. I get peppermint in bucket loads with a subtle hint of vanilla. Absolutely looking forward to using that. You see it there, North Pole Barbershop. Although just be careful, if you ever go to the North Pole, rumour has it the penguins like to hitch a lift back and live amongst us. Do you know what I mean? I was fortunate, none of them followed me. Just be careful, kids. Okay, so that's what we're going to be using there. The brush, P88 Star Wisp. Look at this, absolutely wonderful. Get it the right way up, always like to show you. Phoenix Shaving Star Wisp. Look at that colour, guys. Absolutely beautiful. We're going to stick that in the official John Shave Super Soaker. I'm sorry guys, I say it every video at this time of year. Sunrise directly behind a huge big window here. There's not really anything I can do to stop the light from coming in. Okay, the splash we're going to be using for, we've got peppermint soap. We'll go with a nice chocolate splash. Can you see it there? Lynx aftershave, intense chocolate. We'll get this out. Show you. I've used it before. There it is, guys. It's a lovely generic cologne, but it really does smell of chocolate. It's absolutely wonderful. And then to top that up, come on, Frosty the Snowman. There you go. Frosted vanilla. See, frosted vanilla. Hand cream. Now it says hand cream, guys, but guess what? See this stuff here? It's exactly the same as this stuff here. And if it soothes this, it's going to soothe this, isn't it? So I'm using that as an aftershave balm today. The razor, gifted from Mark Davis. You've seen the unboxing video from Mark Davis. Mark Davis has been very generous indeed. Very kind to me in this channel. And he sent me along this. This is the leaf thorn. It's the thorn, isn't it? Yeah, and that's called the prism. And you, come on. Get a grip, John. You turn that and watch the little mechanism. Absolutely wonderful. Who doesn't like gadgets? And you put a half DE blade in there. The DE blade I'm going to be putting in is these Gillette Super Stainless pack of 5. Let's get it open. Add this in there. What I'll do, and I'm teaching my grandma to suck eggs. Look, it says on the back, can you see that? Because the light, it says do not wipe. Well, haha, I'm a rebel. There you go. What we'll do is, you just snap that. It naturally, these will naturally snap in half, these DE blades, guys. Did you hear that? That was it snapping in half. So what I will do is I will open this here, and I will probably just, if I can, just tear a half out. And now I've left a half in there sealed. That'll be put in there, and I'll put that now back in the tin with the leaf razor. So the next time I go to use it, ta-da, I've got a half blade there. This, get it on there. There's two little notches on there. Buenos notches. Oh guys, honestly, right, so you just sit that. You sit that on there, look at that, look. You don't get this staggering instruction and professionalism from any other channel, do you? You're all thinking, oh, is that what you call it, John? And look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Sitting like a champ. That's it, guys. We'll wet the face, we'll crack on, we'll have this shave. I don't know if you can see what it says on the side of my cup. It says, the love of family is like having a piece of home in your heart. So to all the wonderful, kind, generous, wet shaving family out there, cheers to you all. Ah, wonderful. Okay. Yeah. Let's, we'll wet the face. Oh, I can smell that peppermint shaving soap from here on in. Here we go. And let's just look at this, that handle. Absolutely wonderful. Wonderful design. Yeah. Get it in there. Absolutely wonderful. I don't know how Doug and Fran do it with these soaps, but they pull them out of the bag all the time. The scent are absolutely phenomenal. So we'll go a couple of minutes here, because you know my mantra. I like to load onto the brush and lather onto the face. We'll set that down there. We'll get that little bit of mince pie crust out of the water. Oh my word. So how have you all been doing, guys? How have you all been doing? Here we go. Work's been okay. This is absolutely wonderful. Look at this, guys. Get those right in. Look at that. CK6 is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful soap. But to me, and please let me know if you've had this experience with it, to me, rather bizarrely, some scents of CK6 tend to be thirstier than others. The CK6 in general can take a lot of water, and I like that, but I can use some CK6s when they don't need a lot, and then I can use another, and it's all CK6. I can use a different scent and it'll just keep going and going and going and taking water and taking it and taking it and taking it. So I'm just wondering if certain aspects of the scent profile affect the amount of water in it. I don't know. Maybe it does. Here we go. Prism, razor, leaf, razor, prism. Oh, so what we're going to talk about? I don't know. There's not really a lot to say. To tell me, right, what your shave of the day is, your SOTD, and then what other SOTD do we do on this show? Hey, yes, your slurp of the day. You know what mine is. I shall be having a glass of jam shed later on this evening whilst watching a Christmas film. So what's your Christmas? What are your favourite Christmas films, guys? It's a Wonderful Life has already been done. Christmas with the Cranks has already been done. And Almost Christmas with Danny Glover. That's not the greatest film, but the women in it are so hot. Don't tell the wife. Let's hope she doesn't watch. But yeah. So I'll try and convince my wife tonight to have the ultimate Christmas movie. It's got to be Die Hard, hasn't it, guys? Come on. They're playing it at the cinema next week and I may just go and watch it. And despite what Bruce Willis says, Die Hard is a Christmas film. Right, now you see, there's a lovely cooling sensation to this soap. Look at that brush though. Look at that brush. Absolutely, do you know? They just knock these brushes out. Wonderful prices. And these soaps, absolutely wonderful. Very, very slick too. So that's it. That's what I'll be doing. We're reaching that stage. I'm in work next week, but I finished early. I finish on Wednesday. I'm the only one that does. Everybody's working right up until Friday, and including Friday. And then they're in some of the week after. I'm not. I pounced on something like the 1st of January last week and booked, we call it Twixmas, you know, the days in between Christmas and New Year. We were all told, we were all taken into the office and told the holidays are now on a first come first served basis, so if you want holidays throughout the year, go and book them. I got my phone out on the spot and booked these 3 days. Well, actually I booked the Thursday and the Friday and then the 3 days in between. That's 1 week of my holiday. So I'm absolutely looking forward to it. And spend some time with the family. We're going. David always prepares an absolute feast. Him and Abby don't mind. I will get a little video of the feast, of the table and the preparations before we eat. It's wonderful. It's done like a Christmas grotto. It's like something off a Hallmark movie. It really is beautiful. Abby cooks an absolute feast and David helps her. It's wonderful, and the whole family all come together. But we've got a couple of shares before that, haven't we? Can you hear that? This is so efficient. If I'm sweating, guys, because it's warm in this bathroom, because I took a shower, did my hair. Johnny's favourite YouTube wet shaver. There you go. Yeah, so that's it. I was going to say something, but I lost my train of thought. That's that dad brain. I've started losing my train of thought halfway through sentences now, guys. Don't get old. It's a trick. I did a delivery. Did a delivery to a place last week. And the woman had to come downstairs and she went, oh, it smells of fire. They were doing a demolition nearby. Now, when I was a child growing up in the 70s, they were demolishing all the slum terrace houses. And what they would do is, they would strip out anything they could burn, and then they would find a patch of spare ground and have a big bonfire and light and burn all the wood, then demolish all the houses. So, I'll be honest with you guys, the scent of my childhood is burning timber and demolished brick dust. And I actually like it, and I could smell that when I went here. And she went, oh, that smells horrible. And I said to her, oh, it's wonderful. It reminds me of my childhood back in the 70s. She went, you were never alive in the 70s. So I was quite flattered, actually. I thought, never alive in the 70s. Love, I was born in the 60s. Here we go. Lather mittens. Look at this, guys. Look at this. CK6. It is the gift that keeps on giving, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Just the usual suspects around here at the neck area, guys. We'll get them whipped up. So, let me know, like I said, let me know what your shave of the day is. Let me know what your slurp of the day is. Let me know what your CMODTB, your Christmas movie of the day. Oh, my word. Honestly, I think the closer it gets towards Wednesday now, guys, the giddier and giddier I'm going to go. Oh, do you know what I mean? At the end of the day, we work to live. I don't live to work. I like nothing more than spending my spare time with my family. Oh, yeah, oh, lovely. Lovely, fresh, crisp, white foam. Wipe the old chops. Oh, yeah, so that's it. Oh. And remember, johnshaves101@gmail.com. Any of you are feeling lonely, feeling low, feeling down, you need to talk, you can talk to me. Can't solve your problems, but I promise you I'll answer. You're not alone. Just remember that, guys. Look at this, look. Hey, we did okay, didn't we? Look at that. Beautiful. Single edge razor. Absolutely wonderful, guys. There is not a single hair left. I am as bald as a coot. Here we go. Lynx chocolate splash. Absolutely wonderful. Oh my word. Come on. Put this on, guys. Put this on. Well, you feel like a bar of chocolate. I did it last year. Oh my word, I don't call it that as well. Said to my wife, do you want to nip to the shop and get a bar of chocolate? No, I'm not going to the shop. You go to the shop. Okay. So I snuck in the bathroom, put some of this on, went and sat down, and she was like, 5 minutes later, she was like, you smell chocolate. And she got up, went and got us a bar of chocolate. There you go, guys. Told her I was going to the bathroom, went in the bedroom, put some of that on. Works a treat. Don't tell the women, though. They don't need to know. Here we go. Lovely frosted vanilla hand cream. Look at this. And it does, guys. Put some of this on. It really is. I don't know how it performs. Oh, I can put some on the back of my hand, but it smells really, really nice. Oh, so there we go. I spent the rest of the day smelling like Christmas. Look after yourselves, guys. Let me know what you thought of the shave, good and bad. And remember, it's cold and dark out there. So you be warmth and light in here and share some love with someone. And like I always say, show some love to someone that doesn't deserve it. And you've shown some love, haven't you? Look after yourselves. And I will see you on Wednesday. We'll see if we can pull something out for Christmas for the Wednesday shave. Got a good one lined up for next Saturday. But you'll have to wait, won't you, for that one. Bye.